Protests have been in the news a lot lately, but it is important to have all the information before going to them.
Your rights are strong in what are known as traditional public forums, such as streets, sidewalks, and parks. You are also likely to have the right to speak out on other public property like plazas, in front of government buildings, as long as you are not blocking access to the government building or interfering with other public purposes that the property was designed for.
Without a permit, police can ask you to move off the street or sidewalk in order to let others pass. Private property owners can set rules restricting speech on their property. Make sure you are confident in the regulations for having a protest, so it can go smoothly and safely.
Wear masks. COVID-19 is still a threat. Comply with any instructions given to you by law enforcement, officials, or security. Do not engage in any violent, threatening protests. Separate yourself from any violent protesters as well as protesters who refuse to comply with law enforcement and security.
Make sure to stay away from protests that are being broken up forcefully. Make sure you are energized and aware. Bring food and water. You might be there a while. And don't go alone. You never want to get separated from people that you know at a protest.
As a result of protests and petitions across the country, many big cities are cutting funding for their police departments. In many areas, police department funding is being redirected towards proper training. The fight for racial equality and equity has spread both nationally and internationally as a result of these protests and petitions.
In addition, Confederate statues are being torn down, bus drivers across the country are refusing to drive police officers to protests or transport protesters who got arrested, and the Elijah McClain case was reopened.
Please continue to stay safe while protesting. Share any thoughts you might have with your peers.
Always remember to utilize your inalienable rights as a citizen. Sign and promote petitions. Be part of the solution. Make a difference.